Hey there, grade 4 clarinet players. So I'm going to start today with the very beginnings of what we did, and then I'm going to add another piece on. So our first job was to get our clarinet put together, and then we had one hand on top, one hand on the bottom. Our left hand goes on top. Our right hand goes on the bottom. We were curling that bottom lip in. We were resting the reed on our bottom lip and letting our teeth hang down. Our clarinet is nice and straight. We're breathing in through our mouth to find our vibration point. When you can do that comfortably, then I want you to get your fingers in place, right? We did this in class where you've got 3 fingers covering 3 holes and then the hole in the back. Remember, they must cover the entire hole. So we're going to start with just 1 finger. That is the note E. If we've done this in class, this is a review. If we haven't done it, we will do it next week. So with 1 finger down, all of our other fingers out. We're getting our E sound, and you might have to practice that a few times. Our next sound, we're going to stretch the finger. Notice the stretch. We're covering 2 holes. Our other fingers are still hanging out. We're going to get the note D. It's going to sound lower. Right? 1 finger, E. 2 fingers, lower. Now, 3 fingers is the hardest one because you can't allow any air to get out of the clarinet. Your pinky hangs out like you're going to drink tea in England. So our hand is still here helping us balance. Thumb is on in the back, covering all the holes, and I'm feeling those holes. So we have 3 notes. That last note is C. E. D. Last note. So we always start with our open sound, no covering. And then we move to our fingers. Remember, your left hand goes on the top of the clarinet. This hand will really go on the bottom, but because we don't have a bottom and it helps us balance, we actually put it on top. But this is the top of our clarinet, right? You have that dot that I made. This is the top. Our imaginary clarinet part would be holding with the bottom hand. But because we don't have any right now, we're helping us balance. Left hand touches the keys. Remember, they're not called buttons. They're called keys. Okay? Practice. Do the best you can. Remember, if you need to put cork grease, make sure you do that so it can go easily. And when you're done practicing, put your cover on your mouthpiece. Do the best you can, practice, and I will see you in class. Bye.